by angles and regular polygons. I've posted some stuff in Google Classroom, some notes that you can click on, another link, and then I'll also post some notes that I made in this video to help you understand angles and regular polygons. So first, a regular polygon is a shape that has all of the same angles and side lengths. So this one has pictures of them. So these are all regular polygons. You can see all of these shapes have the same angles in all the corners and all the same side lengths. So they're pretty to look at. Okay. There's also it's kind of a cheat sheet to find interior angles. Yeah. So let's look at our first question in Acellus. It says find the measurement of each interior angle of a regular octagon. Here's the formula, which I will post in the notes that I write that they gave you on Acellus. To find the measurement of each interior angle, you would go 180 times the number of sides. An octagon has 8 sides minus 2 over, again, the number of sides, n, which in this case is 8. Then you would solve this problem. 180 times 8 minus 2, which is 6. Oops. You can use a Google calculator. Calculator. 180 times 6 equals 1080. So then we just divide that by 8. You get 135 degrees for your interior angles for your octagon. This answer can be found on this sheet, though. Your octagon interior angles is 135. So the interior angle is like, I don't have like a pointer here. Let me draw an octagon. I'm trying to draw it perfect. An 8-sided regular octagon. Pretend all of these sides are the same length. Perfect. Okay, we have an octagon. The interior angle is this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. They are all the same because it's a regular octagon. So, I mean, this one isn't, but I tried. So the measure of this angle would be 135 degrees. And so would all the other ones. Each triangle formed from the center point of a regular octagon has blank angles equal to each other. So let's look at our thing. So, where's my thing? If we drew triangles with a perfect regular octagon, each triangle formed from the center point of a regular octagon has 3 angles that are equal to each other, or 2. I think they'd all be equilateral, so 3. Nope, 2. So this angle is going to be different. But these 2 angles in the triangles that we make are going to be the same. Find the sum of the interior angles of a regular nonagon, which is a 9-sided figure. So to find the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, here's the formula. You go 180 times the number of sides, which in this case is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So we're going to do 180 times 7. 1,260. The formulas, like I said, I've made notes. I will post my notes on Google Classroom. Find the sum of the interior angles of a regular octagon. So again, the formula to find the sum of interior angles is this formula, 180 times the number of sides minus 2. In an octagon, the number of sides is 8. So I'll plug in my 8 there. 8 minus 2 is 6. So this times we're just going 180 times 6. 1,080. The total measurement of the angles around the center point of a regular decagon is how many degrees? Okay, so the key word here is the center point. We're not finding the sum of interior angles. We are looking at the angles around the center point. So if we had a decagon, that's a 10-sided shape. Let's see if I can draw this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This is ugly. It's a 10-sided polygon. It's not perfect, sorry. This is the center point. If we had like 10 little triangles going off the edges here, blah, 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 pretend it's 10 triangles. Around the center, we would just have a circle. And the circle is 360 degrees. A regular octagon divides into how many triangles? Okay, I'm going to do a good job. We have an octagon, an 8-sided polygon. Is the shape of a stop sign. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is our octagon. It's beautiful, I know. If we draw from the center, lines to each point. How many triangles can we make? Well, I'll give you a hint. The number of triangles matches the number of sides. So we get 8 triangles for our 8-sided polygon, an octagon. Find the measurement of an interior angle of a regular decagon, which is a 10-sided figure. So to find the measure of an interior angle, here's the formula again. 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. In this case, n, our number of sides is 10. So I replace n with 10. Then I solve this. 180 times what's 10 minus 2? That's 8. 180 times 8 divided by 10. 180 times 8 equals divided by 10 equals 144. So the interior angle, this angle here, and this angle, and this angle, and all the other ones, because it's a regular polygon, would be 144 degrees. And we're on to a new lesson.